I'm Nicole, and I'm a senior editor on the books team at America's Test Kitchen. We are going to make a cocktail known as the Dark and Stormy, which is a combination of ginger beer, black rum, and some lime juice. The story behind this cocktail is that it originated in Bermuda after World War I. A sailor said the color reminded him of the color of a cloud that only a fool or a dead person would sail under. Today, ginger beer that you find in many bars, they're products that have high fructose corn syrup, artificial colors, sometimes artificial flavors. And what we really wanted to come up with for our Dark and Stormy was a ginger beer that we thought would be unique and full of ginger flavor and not much else. We actually started by making an intensely flavored ginger syrup that we could then combine with seltzer to make a drink that is very similar to, and we think better than, a lot of the commercially available ginger beers that are out there. Fresh ginger is loaded with a compound called gingerol, which is what gives it its bite and unique pungency. Some of the commercial ginger beers that we tasted had a sort of extra hot kick to them that we weren't getting from the fresh ginger. And we found that when we added just a little bit of dried ground ginger, that it added that pepperiness that we weren't getting from the fresh ginger. So that's how we ended up using both fresh and dried ginger powder in the mixture. We tried different black rums, and we settled on the one that we liked the most, Gosling's, which is in fact aged for a few years and is based on fermented molasses, which gives it a really unique flavor. To make our ginger syrup, we start with 8 ounces of fresh ginger. We left the skin on. We roughly chop the ginger and then process it for 30 seconds until it's very finely ground. We add that mixture to basically a simple syrup that we made on the stovetop, add the powdered ginger. We covered that mixture and let it sit overnight. After 24 hours, we strained off the ginger through cheesecloth, and what we're left with is a really pungent syrup. And we decided to add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice to brighten up the flavor, and it also helps the shelf life. To make the Dark and Stormy cocktail, we use 1.5 ounces of our ginger syrup, put that syrup together with some lime juice, and pour seltzer right over that to build that drink right in the glass. Pour 2 ounces of the black rum over the top, and then we finish with a squeeze of lime juice. The rum has a delicious, sort of almost licoricey back notes and molassesy flavor, and then of course the ginger cuts right through all those sweet, dark flavors and gives you a bright, aromatic hit, and then the lime juice just rounds it all out and gives a bright finish. So the Dark and Stormy.